Standard 8 Maths, Chapter 8, Quadrilateral Construction and Types, Practice Set 8.2. So now, before we start Practice Set 8.2, we have to understand few properties of this chapter. See, in your textbook, page number 44, see, properties of rectangle. So what they have said, opposite sides of a rectangle are congruent. मतलब आप कोई भी रेक्टेंगल अगर आपके पास है, सी ऑल दी फोर एंगल्स, ये जो एंगल पी क्यू आर है ये सारे इक्वल होंगे और 90 डिग्री, दैट इज राइट एंगल. ओके, एंड ऑल व्हाट दे आर सेइंग, ऑपोजिट साइड यानी साइड पी एस एंड साइड क्यू आर दे आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट. दोनों की मेजर सेम होगी. इफ दिस इज 8, दिस इज 8, this is 6, this is 6. Same goes with this side PQ and side RS. If you know that this is 3, this will also be 3. So opposite sides of a rectangle are congruent. Diagonals of a rectangle are congruent. See this slant height, this is said to be the diagonal. So if you know that QS is 6 cm, so PR is also 6. दोनों congruent. ये fixed properties है रेक्टेंगल की. मीन्स जब भी आप कोई रेक्टेंगल सुनो, सो यू मस्ट नो ऑल दिस इज देयर इन दैट रेक्टेंगल. ऑटोमेटिक रेक्टेंगल का नाम सुनते ही ये सारे प्रॉपर्टी आपके दिमाग में आ जाना चाहिए. यू मस्ट रिमेंबर ऑल दिस थ्री प्रॉपर्टीज. नाउ डायगोनल्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट. देन डायगोनल्स ऑफ अ रेक्टेंगल बाइसेक्ट ईच अदर. मतलब ये जो दो डायगोनल है, दिस टू डायगोनल्स व्हेन दे इंटरसेक्ट इन एनी पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट टी, they bisect each other. For example, if you know this is 6, so 3 and 3, so ये भी 3 and 3 because both the diagonals are congruent. Okay, whatever will be the measure, it will become half. So ये हुआ rectangle का properties. Same we have properties of square. So properties of square, what does properties of square says? Diagonals are of equal length, that is they are congruent. So diagonal AC and BD equal length. For example, if AC is 4, BD will also be 4. Okay, तो दोनों diagonal equal है और congruent है. Diagonal bisect each other. वापस से यह this diagonal they bisect each other. यानी 4 है तो 2 and 2 bisect each other. Diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Means यहाँ पे जो intersection हो रहा है ये 90 डिग्री में intersection हो रहा है, यानी चारों तरफ से 90 डिग्री है. परपेंडिकुलर मीन्स राइट एंगल, लाइक दिस स्ट्रेट. एंड डायगोनल्स बाइसेक्ट द ऑपोजिट एंगल्स. सो यानी ये जो डायगोनल्स है ये 90 डिग्री है ना, इसको भी बाइसेक्ट कर रहे हैं, यानी 45 डिग्री. ये जो बड़ा एंगल है बी, इसको इक्वली डिवाइड कर रहे हैं. सो ऑल 4 एंगल इट बाइसेक्ट. Okay, this was the properties of square. We know common properties that all sides of a squares are congruent. ये तो बहुत पहले से हमको पता है. Rhombus. So rhombus looks like this little slant. Okay, rhombus FGMH. So what are the properties? So opposite angles are congruent. So rhombus के एक acute angle होता है और एक obtuse angle होता है, बट दोनों मिला के 180 डिग्री होना चाहिए. ये और ये प्लस होके. ओके, सो इफ दिस इज 70 डिग्री, सो दिस ऑपोजिट एंगल ना, सो दिस विल ऑल्सो बी 70 डिग्री. सो दिस रिमेनिंग 110, सो दिस विल ऑल्सो बी 110 डिग्री. सो ऑपोजिट एंगल्स ऑफ आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट. डायगोनल बाइसेक्ट्स ऑपोजिट एंगल्स ऑफ अ रोम्बस. ये जो डायगोनल्स है, डायगोनल FH, वो क्या करता है, ये एंगल को बाइसेक्ट करता है. यानी अगर ये 70 डिग्री है तो 35 डिग्री, या 110 है तो 55 एंगल्स को बाइसेक्ट कर रहा है. इफ़ यू हैव एंगल लाइक दिस तो उसको हाफ कर रहे हैं. डायगोनल्स बाइसेक्ट ईच अदर एंड दे आर परपेंडिकुलर टू ईच अदर. तो अगेन ये जो डायगोनल है, दो अलग अलग डायगोनल, वो परपेंडिकुलर है, यानी एक डायगोनल दूसरे डायगोनल को परपेंडिकुलर है. ओके, लाइक दिस 90 डिग्री में. और तो और बाइसेक्ट ईच अदर यानी इक्वली डिवाइड कर रहे हैं. सो इफ इट इज़ 8, सो 8 का हाफ हाफ हुआ 4 and 4. If this is EG, half half हुआ 6, तो 3 and 3, like this. Draw a rectangle ABCD such that length AB is 6 cm and BC is 4.5 cm. So before drawing the main diagram, first let's draw a rough diagram. So this is rough diagram. A, B, C, D. A, B, C and D. AB is 6 centimeter and BC is 4.5 centimeter. 6 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter. And since it is rectangle, we know that all angles of a rectangle are 90 degree. So we have to draw this. This is a rough figure. Now we have to draw main figure. So 6 centimeter. Here in base, 4.5 will be somewhat this much. So यहाँ से लेते हैं. Six centimeter. So 0, this is 0 and this is 6. Here 6 centimeter. Now what we see that both base angle is 90 degree because it is rectangle. So first we will draw 90 degree line. So see, from this end I will take this side rays. So this is my 90 degree, okay, and from this side I will take this side rays. So this is my 90 degree. Now I have drawn 90 degree. A, B, 6 centimeter. Now this side is 4.5 centimeter. So with the help of this compass, I will take measure 4.5 centimeter. And I will draw an arc on both these sides because opposite sides of rectangles are congruent, and this will be the fourth side of a rectangle. Okay, so A, B, C and D. A, B, C and D. So this is 4.5 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter and then 6 centimeter. So this is the required diagram. Second question, draw a square WXYZ with side 5.2 centimeter. So we know that all sides of a square are congruent. So 5.2 centimeters. We will first draw a rough diagram. So that is, this is a rough diagram. Square W, X, Y and Z and 5.2 centimeter. 5.2 centimeter. Because all sides of a square are congruent and all angles of a square are 90 degree. So here we'll take first 5.2. So 0, 5.2, and then this is 90 degree. Okay, why we are taking 90 degree? Because all angles of a square are right angle. So 90 degree we are taking from both these sides. Then just draw this perpendicular line. And now we will need 5.2 centimeter. So 5.2, so 5.2 here, 5.2 here, and then you just have to join them. So this point and this point, 5.2 centimeter. So W, X, Y, Z, 5.2 centimeter, 5.2 centimeter, 5.2 centimeter, and 5.2 centimeter. Then 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree, and 90 degree. So this is the required figure you need to draw. Third question. Draw a rhombus KLMN such that its side is 4 centimeter and K is 75 degree. So first let's draw a rough diagram. Acha, rhombus also we know that it also have all 4 sides equal like a square. So that's why they have given one side. So and K. So K is 75 degree and KLMN, its sides 4 centimeters. So that means from all the side we have 4 centimeters. So this is a rough figure. So let's see how to draw main diagram. Base we will need. Acha, in rhombus we know that one angle is 75 degrees, so another is equals to 180 plus, means base angle should be total 180. Opposite angles of a rhombus are congruent. So how we will draw? First let's draw the base. So पहले base बनाते हैं. Base 4 centimeter. KL. Now we know that K is 75 degree. So with the help of this protector, see this is my K. So and this is my ray, this side ray. Okay. So K and this side ray, I need 75 degrees. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 70 and then 75 degree here. Okay. So (75 degree). I will draw that 75 degree from here. Okay. Now we know that all sides are equal, so 4 centimeter. In a compass we will take measure of 4 centimeter. Okay, and then here this is my second side with 4 centimeter. Since all sides are equal, so with the help of this side, एक side के corner के edge से, ये कंपास में अभी भी 4 सेंटीमीटर लिया था तो वही इंटरसेक्ट करेंगे यहाँ से भी 4 सेंटीमीटर. सो ये रोम्बस का फोर्थ कॉर्नर, फ्रॉम हियर okay, this is rhombus fourth corner, KL M N 75 degree, okay, this is the required figure. Question 4. If diagonals of a rectangle is for 26 centimeter and one side is 24 centimeter, find the other side. See, I have already drawn one rectangle. Now, so what they are saying, if a diagonal, मतलब कोई भी एक diagonal 26 centimeter का है, okay, and one side is 24 centimeter, find the other side. So let's suppose this is quadrilateral PQR and S, quadrilateral PQRS. So let the rectangle be PQRS, okay. So therefore length PR is a diagonal which is given in question 26 centimeter, and length QR equals to length PS equals to 24 centimeter. Why equal? Because opposite sides of rectangles are congruent. So here you have to mention reason. Opposite side of rectangles are congruent. Okay, therefore we have taken 24 centimeter. So now what they have asked, find the other side. So देखो इसको rectangle, we know that angle of a rectangle is 90 degree. So आप इसको एक right angle triangle की तरह देखोगे. So you can find out this with the help of hypotenuse side theorem. दो साइड है आपके पास, एक साइड ढूंढना है. So या तो आप ये साइड ढूंढो और या otherwise this. So any one you after finding out any one side, we can say that the other side is equal because opposite sides of a rectangle are congruent. So now let PS. So how we will start? In triangle PQR, angle Q is equals to 90 degree, okay, because measures of right angle triangle. So by Pythagoras theorem, what is the formula? Hypotenuse square equals to side 1 square plus side 2 square. So here our hypotenuse is PR. यहाँ पे PR हमारा hypotenuse है. साइड 1 किसी को भी ले लो, PQ, मतलब ये ट्राइंगल में से PQ साइड 1, so QR side 2. So now after putting measure, therefore PR is how much? 26. PQ we don't know and QR 24. So to find out PQ, this 24 will come here. So that means PQ को अकेला छोड़ देंगे और ये जो 26 स्क्वायर है उसके पास ये माइनस होने जाएगा 24 स्क्वायर, मीन्स ये यहाँ से यहाँ गया. ओके, सो जब प्लस यहाँ पे आता है तो माइनस बनता है, माइनस जाता है तो प्लस. नाउ so 26 square is 676. You have to by heart squares and 24 square is 576. So PQ square will be equals to, after subtraction we get 100. So ये जो स्क्वायर है वो इसके ऊपर स्क्वायर रूट बन जाएगा. ओके, सो देयरफॉर 100 का स्क्वायर रूट इज 10. सो दैट मीन्स PQ. So therefore PQ equals to RS equals to 10 centimeter. So the other side of rectangle is 10 centimeter. This is the required sums. Okay, length of a diagonals of a rhombus ABCD are 16 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Find the side and perimeter of the rhombus. So I have already drawn a rhombus rough diagram ABCD. Now what they are saying, length of a diagonal. So the longest diagonal will be 16 centimeter. Assume this is 16 centimeter. And AC is 12 centimeter. So what they want find out rhombus. We know that sides are equal. So अगर हमने कोई एक भी side find out कर लिया, if we find out any one side, so we will get perimeter of the rhombus. So let's start that in rhombus A B C D length AC assume करेंगे length AC is 16 centimeter and length BD is 12 centimeter. This is just assumption. So therefore इनका जो intersection होगा, let this intersection be O. Okay, so therefore length AO is equals to length OC. Diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other. Diagonal के rhombus एक दूसरे को equally divide करते हैं. So therefore length AO is equal to length OC is equals to half into length AC. इसका आधा हुआ ना. So that means half into length AC is 16 centimeter. So 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16. So that means 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter is what? AO. ये AO 8 centimeter and OC also 8 centimeter because they are equally bisected. Now if we take BO and OD, okay, so therefore length BO is equals to length OD is equals to half into length BD. So that is half into BD is how much? 12. So 2 ones are 2 6s. So that means we got 6 centimeter. So ये 6 centimeter हुआ 6 centimeter. Okay. Now if you see the rhombus, we know that rhombus are perpendicular bisector. So you have 4 triangles, 1 2 3 4, where you have 2 sides, only hypotenuse you do not have. So कोई भी एक triangle को अगर हम assume करते हैं, so वो triangle के help से we will find out the side. So let's see. So here we will write diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other. Diagonals of rhombus bisect each other. So in triangle, as I said, we can take any triangle. So let's take a triangle AOD. So in triangle AOD, measure angle O is 90 degree. Okay. So why 90 degrees? So diagonals of a rhombus perpendicular to each other. So therefore length, now yeah, AD is the hypotenuse, so AD square is equal to AO plus OD. So AD square is equals to length AO plus square plus length OD. This is what Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem formula. So therefore length AD we do not have, that we have to find out, and length AO 8 centimeter, so 8 square, and this 6 centimeter, 6 square. 8 8 the 64 and 6 6 the 36. So that will be equals to 100. So length AD, square length AD, this square will be here, so that will be equals to 10. We know that AD is 10. So now we have side of rhombus 10 centimeter. Rhombus का एक side मिल गया, means all 4 sides we have got, because all sides of rhombus are congruent. So they have asked find out the perimeter. So therefore perimeter of rhombus equals to 4 into side. So 4 into 10. So that is 40 centimeter. So this is the subs. Okay, 6 sums. Find the length of a diagonal of a square with side 8 centimeter. So I have already drawn a rough figure square and given it name. So let the quadrilateral PQRS is a square with side 8 centimeter. ओके, उन्होंने बोला है कोई एक स्क्वायर बनाओ जिसका साइड 8 सेंटीमीटर है. सो हमने ABCD या PQRS कोई भी स्क्वायर ले लेंगे, 8 सेंटीमीटर साइड है, उसका डायगनल ढूंढना है. सो वी कैन फाइंड आउट एनी वन डायगनल बिकॉज बोथ दी डायगनल्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट. सो फॉर एग्जांपल PR डायगनल लिए. सो सेट PR इज अ डायगनल. ये एजम्पशन है, हम लोग एज्यूम करते हैं ना. सो हाउ टू फाइंड आउट, सी इन ट्राइंगल PQR कोई भी एक ट्राइंगल एज्यूम करेंगे और पाइथागोरस के हेल्प से ढूंढेंगे. सो इन ट्राइंगल PQR मेजर एंगल Q इक्वल्स टू 90 डिग्री. सो बाय Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem we know that Pythagoras formula PR square is equals to PQ square plus QR square. So PR we don't know, therefore so 8 centimeter square plus 8 centimeter square, 8 8 the 64, 8 8 the 64, 64 plus 64 128. so PR so स्क्वायर रूट, ये स्क्वायर यहाँ पे रूट बन जाएगा. सो PR का स्क्वायर रूट विल बी 8 रूट 2. So see, either you can take this as an answer or this as an answer. So they have not asked us to find the solution. So therefore diagonal of a square equals to, we will take the original one, 128 centimeter. Okay. Okay. Measure of one angle of a rhombus is 50 degree. Find the measure of remaining 3 angles. So I have already drawn one rough diagram which is rhombus ABCD. So we will write, let quadrilateral ABCD be the rhombus, and one angle they have given. So acute angle, and angle B is equals to 50 degree. Okay. So D will also be 50 degree because we know that opposite angles of a rhombus are congruent. So here we will show that angle B is equals to angle D equals to 50 degree. 1. And also angle A equals to angle C, but here we don't know the measure, that we have to find out. Why they are equal, we have to write the reason. So reasons are opposite angles of a rhombus are congruent. Okay. So इस क्वेश्चन में उन्होंने क्या बोला है, हमने 50 डिग्री एक एंगल दिया है, सो बाकी का एंगल ढूंढ के निकालो. सो इन ABCD में से हमने वो एक एंगल से दूसरा तो ढूंढ लिया, बिकॉज वी नो दैट अपोजिट एंगल्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट AC. दिस ऑल्सो वी नो दैट ये भी कॉन्ग्रुएंट होंगे, तो कोई एक भी मिल गया तो दूसरा ढूंढ सकते हैं. सो लेट्स सी. अब इतना होने के बाद वी नो एक क्वाड्रिलेटर के सभी चारों एंगल को प्लस करेंगे तो हमको मेजर मिलेगा 360 डिग्री. दिस इज़ द रूल. कोई भी 4 कॉर्नर फिगर के 1 2 3 4 सभी एंगल्स को प्लस करते हैं तो 360 डिग्री मिलता है. सो वी विल टेक हेल्प ऑफ दैट कोटेशन, दैट सम ऑफ द measures of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 डिग्री. ये एक कोटेशन है जो हमको पता है. So with the help of this, therefore what we will show that measure angle A plus measure angle B plus measure angle C plus measure angle D is equals to 360 डिग्री. ओके, ये लाइन के हिसाब से. सो इसमें से वी हैव A तो नहीं है हमारे पास, B is 50 डिग्री, then C also we don't have, D is 50 degree. So that will equals to 360 degree. Then so now therefore see A plus C, this 50 plus 50 becomes 100 degree. So this 100 we will bring here to do subtraction. A plus C equals to 360 degree minus 100 degree. So 360 minus 100, 260 degree. So therefore A plus C is equals to 260 degree. Now this A plus C, see in equation 2 what we have showed that A plus C is what, congruent. तो हम दोनों को A बोल सकते हैं या दोनों को C. So what we will do, हम A plus A बोलेंगे. ओके, बिकॉज C और A कॉन्ग्रुएंट है. सो उससे क्या हो जाएगा, इट विल गिव अस हेल्प 1 + 1 2. 2 मेजर एंगल A इज इक्वल्स टू 260 डिग्री. सो ये 2 यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है. सो जब वो इधर आएगा इट विल divide. So 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 2 zeros are 0. So therefore measure angle A is equals to 130 degree. So that is क्या हुआ, measure angle A equals to measure angle C equals to 130 degree. So now, okay, so why we showed this 130 degree, because here we have taken this equation. वैसे भी we know that opposite angles are congruent. So they have asked find the measure of remaining 3 angles. So final answer we will write, therefore the measure of remaining 3 angles are, उन्होंने 50 डिग्री दिया है तो एक हमको 130 मिला, then again 50 मिला and then again 130 degree. So this is the answer.